Hello friends and welcome to Aksh Animation. In this tutorial, we are going to create Duracell batteries 3D model with Adobe Illustrator. It's great fun to use Adobe Illustrator's 3D effect and you will get good understanding of applying map arts to the model. So let's begin. First create a new document of any size you want. Now let's create a rectangle. Well, I am not measuring it, I am just doing it with my visualization. It shouldn't have any stroke. And for fill color, I am going to choose very dark gray instead of perfect black. Okay, let's align it to the center. Now copy it by pressing Ctrl C and paste it in front by pressing Ctrl F. Now let's resize it to make the upper part of the battery. Give it a fill color, and as I have told you that I have not any reference here, I am just visualizing it. Okay, now copy and paste it one more time and resize it to make the top portion of the battery. Let's use very light gray for it. Alright, basic shapes has been prepared. But to use 3D effect, we will only need half shape of the created rectangles and Illustrator will revolve that. So just create a rectangle of any shape to cover only half portion of the base rectangle. It will automatically snap to the half portion of the base rectangle, and if it's not, make sure Smart Guides is checked on under View menu. Okay, now select these two rectangles and in Pathfinder just click on minus front button and it will cut it. Now do the same procedure for other two rectangles. And why I'm doing this? We could just make thin rectangles and could use 3D effect on those. So I have done it in order to measure the width of the generated shapes. If you are a beginner, it will be very helpful. Now this rectangle should be small in size as this would be the topmost portion of the battery. So press Z key to select zoom tool and zoom it to see clearly. Now let's shrink it. Press Ctrl 0 to fit artboard. Before we use 3D effect, let's first import our map art. So go to File, Place. I have already found an image on Google, so I'm going to import that one. Well, I have made it white with Photoshop to use it here, so it's not visible here. Let's put it aside. Now open symbol library and just drag this image to the new symbol icon. Change type to graphic and let's call it my map. Just hit OK. It will give you a warning that it cannot make it a symbol because it's linked. So what we can do? Just keep this image selected and go to option bar and click on embed. Now our image is no more linked and we can easily make it a symbol. Let's call it my map and change type to graphic. It has been added to our symbol library. Now we don't need this image here, so keep it aside. Now select all these rectangles to group them. Go to Effect, 3D, Revolve. Check this preview and it will revolve the shapes as effect names tells everything itself. Now just click on Map Art button. Here you can see the surface option. It will allow us to select a specific surface to apply the map. And you can see first surface is the circle, which is this one highlighted by the red border. So if we apply the map to this surface, it will be applied to bottom of the model which we don't want. So let's check the next surface. It is this one. So check the next one and here we get the desired surface. Now from this symbol drop down menu, select our map and it will be applied to this surface. It's too big, so let's resize it and hold down shift to resize it in same proportion. And you can also rotate it holding down shift key to rotate it on perfect 90 degrees. So just play with it and fit it according to you. Perfect. Now just OK it. I want to apply map on the upper surface too, but I am going to just OK it to show you one more feature. Now to apply map on the upper shape, we have to edit the effect. So if we go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, it will not allow us to edit the effect. It will just ask to apply a new effect. So to edit the effect, just go to the Appearance tab and click on this applied effect. Check this preview. Again go to Map Art and choose the desired surface. Here is it. I am going to applying the same map for saving my time. You can use your own mesh or you can also create your own symbols inside the Illustrator. It's not necessary to use an image all time. Just OK it. I think I should shift it more on the right side. Okay, perfect. Now you can also rotate it on any direction you want. Just click on more options to get material options. Now play with these settings in order to get perfect shading on your model. Now just OK it. So here is our Duracell battery model. So it is whole guys, and if you like our stuffs, please share our page with others. It will help a lot to bring you more stuffs. Thank you.